If you want to create high-quality content faster and more efficiently, generative AI can completely transform your workflow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create content with generative AI step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate ideas, write, and even create visuals using AI tools. First, understand what generative AI does. It uses advanced models to create text, images, videos, and more based on your input. This means you can use it for blog posts, social media captions, scripts, thumbnails, and almost any type of content. Start by choosing the right AI tool. There are tools for writing, image generation, and video creation. Pick one based on your needs. For example, if you want to write a blog or script, use a text-based AI tool. Next, give clear instructions, also known as prompts. The quality of your content depends heavily on how you ask. Be specific about your topic, tone, length, and audience. For example, instead of saying write about fitness, say write a beginner-friendly fitness guide for weight loss in simple language. Once the AI generates content, don't just copy and paste it. Always review and edit the output. Add your personal touch, fix any errors, and make sure the information is accurate. This step is important to maintain quality and originality. You can also use AI to generate images or graphics. Provide a detailed description of what you want, such as style, colors, and subject. This is useful for thumbnails, blog visuals, or social media posts. Another powerful tip is to combine tools. For example, you can generate a script using AI, then use another tool to create voiceovers or videos. This helps you build complete content quickly. Consistency is key. The more you experiment with prompts and tools, the better your results will become over time. In this tutorial, we learn how to create content with generative AI by choosing the right tools, writing effective prompts, editing outputs, and combining different AI features. This allows you to produce content faster while maintaining quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.